Two bomb explosions hit the northwestern Pakistani city of Peshawar on Monday. The first one outside a city school killed a boy and wounded 8 others. And 7 hours later, the second bomb went off in the center of the city as police watched over a protest rally in a crowded bazaar. At least 25 people, including 3 security men, were killed and 42 others wounded in the attack on the public rally organized by Jamaat-e-Islami.
Jamaat-e-Islami was holding a peaceful demonstration against the continuing power breakdown which has made our lives miserable in the city. The blast happened when the protest was almost over and people were leaving for their homes.
The rally was held in protest at frequent power cuts that have made life difficult for people in the city.
Almost at the end of the demonstration rally, few people started burning tires, and at that moment a young boy slipped in the middle and blew himself up, which left nearly 25 people dead and a large number injured.
The militants have recently come under increasing pressure across northwest Pakistan as the Pakistani military carries out operations against them. Hundreds of people have been killed in militant attacks across Pakistan since the military launched operations against the Taliban last autumn. Militants have carried out dozens of attacks across northwest Pakistan in recent months. Peshawar has borne the brunt of this violence. With Pakistani army fighting militants in the region, more of such revenge attacks are likely to occur in the future. Frequent attacks in northwest Pakistan show the area is still far from peaceful, and that militants still have the ability to carry out violent attacks.
They were dormant for good about over 3.5 to 4 months. And after almost 4 months, they've started off again. They had gone into hiding, they had contacted their people, all those people who are involved from outside, other people, and now they've reorganized, regrouped, and they will try to hurt us, hit us.
Experts see the attacks as retaliations against the ongoing offensive in the tribal regions of Pakistan. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.